So I got a 2014 Suzuki Kingquad 4-wheel drive 750 AXI power steering edition. 30-inch tires, 14-inch rims, and has a problem with rear CV axles. Replaced like 5 broken CV axles in the past, I don't know, 5 months. It's like it breaks one and you don't even have to be rough riding and it'll break them. I called somebody about it, and it has a 2-inch bracket lift on it. Called a guy and he said take the 2-inch bracket lift off the back, and it should solve your CV axle problem, or buy aftermarket, of course. And I took the 2-inch bracket lift off the back, and it does have considerably a lot more give to it now. But I just replaced the left one. Haven't replaced the right one because I thought just the left one was broke this time, and because the boot was ripped, I didn't replace the right one. But the one I took off, I went ahead and took it apart just to see what the inside looks like, to be sure that it is in fact broken. And the only thing, excuse the camera here, the only thing I seen out of the ordinary, you know, I mean, I had some nicks and cuts inside here, inside the race, and inside the gear that holds the balls in place. There was some considerable amount of, you know, chips and whatnot. But the one thing I did notice inside this housing, I don't know if you can see it, if I can get it in the light, in between the grooves you can see a shiny spot where it looks like the ball bearings were jumping track from track to track. And I'm guessing that's the popping noise I would hear. I'm not sure. I'm no expert on this. I mean, I really don't know too much about them. And there are nicks inside the grooves. So I mean, I'm really not sure. I don't know if you could see it better now. Like I said, you can see the shiny spots going from groove to groove, and a little bit of nick in there. I don't know if that's the popping noise I would hear. On the front one, I didn't find anything out of the ordinary. You know, a little bit of discoloration, but you know, it's a velocity. It's velocity bearing, so I imagine it does get kind of hot in there. But the only thing I noticed out of the ordinary on it was the splines on the inside of the shaft going into the bearings. They were a little eat up. But other than that, I mean, I didn't see anything tremendous. So if you got any suggestions, or if I might be right about the popping noise that it would be going from track to track, that's what I hear. I don't know. I just put the brand new left one on, and it's only been on there 3 days. I probably put maybe a mile on it. But you know, after I changed that rear left one, I still heard the popping noise, so I figured, you know, the right one was broke as well, so I had 2 broke axles. But I'm still hearing the popping noise. If anybody's got any suggestions, anything's helpful and appreciated. Thank you.